Okay, let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about your money working harder for you. If you're like most people, you're probably looking for ways to grow your savings. And one of the most popular tools for doing that is a high-yield savings account. Now, there are a bunch of these accounts out there, promising big returns. But one that keeps popping up is SoFi. They've been making waves with their competitive APYs. But here's the burning question: does SoFi APY compound daily? Let's break it down. First off, what is APY? APY stands for annual percentage yield. It's the total amount of interest you'll earn on a savings account for 1 year, including the effect of compounding. So, it's more than just the interest rate. APY takes into account how often that interest gets added to your account. That's compounding. Compounding is like magic for your money. It's when the interest you earn starts earning interest itself. The more frequently it compounds, the faster your money grows. Think of it like rolling a snowball downhill. The more snow it picks up, the bigger it gets. So, does SoFi's magic snowball roll daily? Well, not exactly. While interest on your SoFi savings account does accrue daily, the compounding happens monthly. That means the interest you earn each day gets added to your balance, but it doesn't start earning interest of its own until the end of the month. This is still pretty good, though. Monthly compounding is better than quarterly or annually. But it's not as good as daily compounding. Now, you might be wondering, why doesn't SoFi compound daily? Well, there are a few reasons. First, it's more complex and expensive for banks to calculate interest daily. Second, while it might seem like a small difference, the impact on your earnings over a year isn't usually that dramatic. But let's say you're someone who likes to maximize every penny. In that case, you might want to explore other options that offer daily compounding. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons. Some accounts with daily compounding might have higher fees or require a minimum balance. So, while SoFi's APY is competitive and the monthly compounding is decent, it's not the absolute best when it comes to growth. But that doesn't mean it's a bad choice. It depends on your overall financial goals and priorities. One thing to remember is that while compounding is important, it's not the only factor to consider when choosing a savings account. You also want to look at things like fees, customer service, and the overall user experience. So, does SoFi APY compound daily? No. But it does compound monthly, which is still pretty good. Ultimately, the best savings account for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.